after a long time, so it makes me feel so good. And I'm back. Yeah, Shri is back with a video finally. And hey, this is Shri. Welcome back to my channel Classy Cool, and this is going to be the first video that I post other than shorts for this year, and also the first video in a long while. It's been really a long time since I posted a video. I thought I wanted to make a lot of things, but I think I will get that slowly. But here I am now with a beautiful short video which you definitely like, because this is just going to be an unboxing video of my 2 books that I purchased in the month of January. You love this unboxing video, which is going to be really short. In this month of January, I have already completed 2 books. They are e-books, and I've bought 2 books from Amazon because I really love reading books than e-books. So I really like the touch and feel good thing about books, and the smell between the pages, and it feels so good. And let me know in the comment section if you are an ebook person or a book person. So now let's unbox this. So I've just cut the box already because there were sellotapes and I don't want to make cranky sound here. So here it is. These are the 2 books. This is the first book, which looks so beautiful. Just look at it. It looks so beautiful. The book name is Krishna, Greatest Spiritual Wisdom for Tough Times by Pranay. And Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard. So I've been watching his videos lately, like how he manifested a lot of things just by feeling. So I really wanted to know a lot of things, a lot of concepts about how he is viewing law of attraction from his point of view. But one thing that I found really difficult was that his language was not easy to understand for me. I was feeling a little difficult, and it was that's the only reason why I thought, okay, let me go for books. And this book came with a hardcover, which I didn't really didn't really notice while ordering it on Amazon. So it is really good. I really love hardcover books, and I think I can complete both the books in the month of Jan, because you know what, this book is also very small and it has 125 pages. And this is covered, but I'm still assuming that it must be having just like 100 pages or something, and obviously I can complete these 2 books, because my journey towards understanding spirituality in a different point of view has started already. And I really wanted to understand spirituality other than law of attraction and law of assumption, whatever laws that are in the universe. So I hope, and also this is like, obviously Lord Krishna is my favorite god, and I wanted to learn a lot, but reading Bhagavad Gita or reading Ramayana is not going to help me personally, because it is a huge book, and most of the books are really having a lot of pages, and I don't love to read books with that many pages. But I still wanted to understand the gist of it. So I think this is going to really help me. And I was feeling a low lately, and I thought Krishna's Greatest Spiritual Wisdom for Tough Times will really help me. That's the reason I bought this book, and I am coming with a review very soon after I complete both the books. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned.